What if I told you that you're just 6 months away from stepping into wealth? Not a get-rich-quick scheme, but real sustainable wealth, built from the ground up. Whether you're living paycheck to paycheck or just feeling stuck financially, this video will show you exactly how to start building wealth in the next 6 months. Even if you're starting with nothing, let's get started. Wealth is defined as having more money than you need. While wealth isn't just about money, the freedom it gives you allows you to make your own choices and be in control of your time. Putting the right systems in place so that your money starts working for you instead of the other way around is the best place to start. Step 1. You need to know exactly where your money is going. For the next 7 days, track every single dollar you spend. No exceptions. Begin by calculating your net income, what actually lands in your bank after taxes, and your fundamental expenses, basics like rent, groceries, utilities, and transportation. You might be shocked to see how much you're bleeding on subscriptions, eating out, or mindless Amazon purchases. Let's say you earn $3,000 a month. If you're spending $20 a day on lunch and coffee, that adds up to $600 a month. That's 20% of your income gone before you even count rent or bills. Cut that in half, and you've just found an extra $300 to redirect toward wealth building. Now, cutting expenses helps, but you can only save so much. To build real wealth fast, you need to increase your income, and that means creating more than one stream. Start with a skill you already have. Can you write, design, edit videos, or speak a second language? You can turn that into a freelance gig within 48 hours using platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Let's say you land just 2 clients a week at $100 each. That's $800 a month. Over 6 months, that's $4,800. Combine that with your day job and intentional saving, and you're already stacking cash. If freelancing isn't for you, try affiliate marketing, flipping items on Facebook Marketplace, tutoring online, or even starting a faceless YouTube channel. The key is not to overthink it, just start. Before you investing everything or celebrate early wins, there's one critical step most people skip. Emergency fund. You must build an emergency fund. It's not optional, it's your personal financial shock absorber. It's what keeps you from dipping into your other investments or savings. Save up at least 1 month's worth of your fundamental expenses. For instance, if your expenses for a particular month is $2,500, aim to save that amount. You can extend that to 2 or 3 months after. Step 3, automate your savings and invest. Set up a separate high-yield savings account and funnel at least 20% of your side income into it. That way, you don't even see the money, it just grows. Investing will also keep your money growing. No, you don't need to be a Wall Street expert. If you invest just $200 a month into a low-cost index fund with a 7% annual return, you'll have over $1,200 in 6 months, then compounding begins. If crypto or real estate is more your lane, start small. You can now invest in fractional real estate through platforms like Fundrise with as little as $10. The goal isn't to get rich instantly, but to start owning assets, not liabilities. Next, protect your progress. If you're drowning in high-interest debt, your wealth is leaking like a hole in a bucket. Focus on paying down anything with interest rates above 10% first. These are toxic to your financial growth. At the same time, build your credit. A higher score means access to better loans, better job opportunities, and lower insurance rates. Keep credit utilization under 30% and pay on time every time. Check in with yourself weekly. Are your income streams growing? Is your savings rate improving? Have your investments increased? These small wins compound into big victories. We've talked about money, investing, income, and safety nets. But here's the truth most people ignore. Wealth starts with daily habits, not just financial strategies. Every wealthy person you admire has one thing in common. They've mastered consistency. It's not what you do once in a while, it's what you do every day that builds long-term success. Start by adopting just 3 non-negotiable daily habits. First, review your spending for 5 minutes every evening. This micro check-in builds awareness and control. Second, spend 30 minutes a day on skill building or income generation, whether it's learning SEO, editing videos, or pitching clients. Over 6 months, that's 90 hours of focused action, enough to completely transform your income. And third, consume 1 piece of content per day that elevates your financial literacy. That could be a podcast, a book, or even a YouTube video like this. Feed your mind what you want your life to look like. Wealth isn't just numbers in your bank account, it's who you become in the process. Discipline, focus, and routine are the invisible engines behind every success story. You're just 6 months away from a completely different financial reality, but only if you take action today. Audit your spending, boost your income, automate your savings, invest consistently, and protect your credit. If this helped you, drop an emoji in the comments and tell me your 6-month wealth goal. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell if you don't want to miss another video. See you in the next one.